हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे YouTube चैनल में। टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट a new chapter and the chapter name is sampling theory. I'll teach you from the basic to advanced level, so stay with me. Before entering in these chapters, first we should know the what content I am going to provide in these chapters. Content is I'll discuss in this series about population, sampling, statistics, parameters, and random sampling with and without replacement, expected value of sample mean and variance, standard error, sampling distributions of mean and variance, and at last parameter estimations, likelihood estimations, interval. This is the content. This is the content which I am going to discuss in the further classes. So let's get started. Now see here, what is the meaning of population? Population means a population is an entire group that you want to draw conclusion about. This is the meaning of populations. Sample means it is a subset of population. Sample means it is a subset of population. Static means any functions of random variable consisting a random sample is called statistics. Random variable consisting a random sample is called statistics. Parameters means statistical constant of a population such as mean and variance are referred as parameters. See here, this is the static. This is the statistics. Here S is there. So both are different. Statistics means statistical measure computed the sample observations along such as mean and variance is called statistics. Now see random sample with and without replacement. I will teach you with and without replacement in coming questions. Now you can see the formula. First you can see the formula. With replacement means if they will give size of population is capital N, size of population is capital N, and size of sample is small n, then number of sample of size is n to power n. Number of sample of size is n to power n. And without replacement means number of sample of size n equal to NCN. NCN means this is capital N. NCN means n factorial by small n factorial and capital N minus n factorial. This is NCN. I'll explain you what is the meaning of with and without replacement. Now you can see the formula only. First we will go through the full formula and then we move towards problem. In problem I'll explain you further. Now see expected mean of sample, expected value of sample mean and variance. What is the formula for mean? Formula for mean is summation of xi by capital N. Formula is important in this chapter. If you know the formula very well, you can easily solve the problem. So remember all this formula and know each and every terms in the formula. What is there? Formula for mean is summation of xi by capital N. Formula of variance. Variance is notation sigma square. Variance notation is sigma square. Summation of xi minus x bar whole square by n. Here x bar is what? X bar is mean. Okay. Now see standard deviations of means. Standard deviations of means. X bar is what? Means. Standard deviations of means. For finite population, see, sigma x bar. For finite population, sigma x bar equal to under root n minus n by n minus 1 into sigma by under root n. This sigma is standard deviations and this sigma x is standard deviations of mean. For infinite population, sigma x equal to sigma by under root n. If you know the formula very well, you can solve the problem easily. Now see sampling distributions of the mean. Sampling distributions of the mean means in this one two things is coming with replacement and without replacement. For with replacement mu x is mean equal to same mu only. For variance equal to variance formula is sigma square by n. Variance formula is sigma square by n. See here notation for variance is sigma x bar square. and standard deviation notation is sigma x bar, and the formula is standard deviation sigma by under root n. Without replacement, mean is same. Mean mu x bar equal to mu. Variance is, see the variance, sigma square x bar equal to n minus n by n minus 1 into sigma square by n. This is the formula for variance, and standard deviations equal to under root n minus n by n minus 1 into sigma by under root n. This is the for standard deviations. And see here, n minus n minus 1, n minus n by n minus 1 equal to finite population correlation factor. Okay, correction factor. This is the correction factor. N minus n by n minus 1 equal to, this is the finite correction factor. Now see the formula once again. If you know the formula, you can easily solve the problem. See, you can pause the video and note down the formula. Now I'll move towards questions number 1. Now we will move towards question number 1. See, questions number 1. See, before solving the problem, first you have to read the problem properly and write down whatever in question they are given. So first we should correct the given data. After that we move to, after that we should solve the problem. So read the questions carefully first. A population consists five number. A population consists five numbers 2, 3, 6, 11. This is the population. In this one, number is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. This is the population, five numbers. Consider all possible sample of size 2. So what we will do, we will take this one sample of 2. From this one also, we will make sample of 2. So at 2, which can be drawn with replacement from this population. Find mean. So first what they are saying, find mean and standard deviations of the population. So see here, given data is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. This is the given data. So n is 5. Okay, and small n is 2. N is size of sample and small n is size of sample. See here, population consists of 5 number, means n, capital N equal to 5, and sample size, see here, sample size of 2. So small n is 2. So I write here given data. Now first we have to find mean. Formula for mean is summation of xi by capital N. Summation of xi means 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 by 5. If you solve this one, you can get mu equal to 6. Okay. Now find variance. Formula for variance is summation of xi minus x bar the whole square by capital N. So 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means what? 1 by n. Now what we did? 2 minus 6 whole square. 2 is xi and minus, and 6 is mean. Plus, and then we did for 3. 3 minus 6 whole square. Again plus 6 minus 6 by whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square. Then we did from up to here, we get this one. After solving this one, you can get variance equal to 10.8. Now we have to find standard deviation. For standard deviation is equal to under root of variance. Under root of variance means under root of 10.8 is 3.286. This is the standard deviations. Now see second questions. Mean and standard deviations of sampling distributions of mean. Sampling distributions of mean. See, mean and standard deviations of sampling distributions of mean. Okay, sampling distributions of mean means first we will take the mean of sample and then we have to find the mean of that one. Sampling distributions mean means what? Whatever the sample is there, no, we have to first find the mean of sample and then we have to find the mean of that one. So our given data is population is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Okay, so population size n equal to 5 and sample size is there when they are saying make the sample of 2. So sample size is small n is 2. So with replacement, the number of sample size is how much? N to power n. We know the formula. Number of sample size is n to power n. So 5 to power 2. How much? 25. Okay. With replacements, replacement means what? See, our sample is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. We have to make group of 2. So we can take 2, 2 like that. 2, 3. Repetition is allowed, or 3, 2, 6, 3, 6, 6. Anything we can take group of 2. So if you make like that, see here, 2, 2, 2, 3. First we will take 2, 2, and then 2, 3, and then 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. Then we move towards 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. This is our sample. If you count this one count, this is 25. 25 sample is there. So we have to find the sample distribution's mean. Okay, sample distribution mean. So first what we have to do? First we have to find the sample, and then we find the mean of sample, and then after getting the mean of sample we have to find the mean. See, this is our sample. If you find the mean of this one, 2, 2 and 2, so what is the mean? 2 plus 2 by 2. 2 plus 2 by 2, how much you get? 2 plus 2 by 2, 2. So here is 2. Sample mean. Now 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2, 2.5. 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2, 4. 2 plus 8 by 2, 5. 2 plus 11 by 2, 6.5. Again 3.2 by 2, 2.5. So this is the sample mean. This is the sample mean. Now we have to calculate mean of the sample mean. See, mean of the sample distributions mean. This is the sample mean. Now what we have to do? Mean of sample distributions. Mean of sample distribution means, see here. Mean of sample distributions of mean means mu x bar. We have to find mu x bar equal to, you will get here mean is there, no? So sum of mean by total number. 2 plus 2.5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6.5. This if you sum, and this is 25 number. So 2 plus 2.5 plus 4 plus 8 dot dot dot. You sum all plus 11 by 25. You get mean equal to same. Mean equal to 6. Mu x equal to 6. And for variance equal to, for variance formula is 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar. 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar whole square. So 1 by n is 1 by 25. Now you get mean now. So from the mean you can do 2 minus 6 whole square. 2 minus 6 whole square plus 2.5 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square. Like that you can do. You will get 5.4. This is the variance, and after that under root of this one you can get standard deviations. Okay, this is the long method which we do here. For short method is also there. We can use direct formula also for finding mean of sample distributions. See here, this is the formula. This is the formula. Mean is same. Mu x equal to mu. Variance is sigma square by n, and standard deviation is sigma by root n. If you don't want to do that, then you can use that formula with replacement. With replacement means mean is same. Mu x equal to 6. In first question we have to find mean, no. So mu equal to 6. Variance equal to sigma square by n. In first question we got sigma square equal to 10.8. So 10.8 by 2, you got 5.4. Now third question is standard deviation. And standard deviation is under root of variance. So under root of 5.4 is 2.32. This is the variance. This is with replacement. With replacement means we can take any one, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3 with replacement. And without replacement, now see without replacement. Without replacement, our data is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. And n is 5, small n is 2. So number of sample is how much? NCN. If you do 5C2, n means 5, small n is 2, 5C2. 5C2 if you do, you can get 10. 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 factorial. 5c2. 5c2 means 5 factorial by 2 factorial, and 5 minus 2 factorial means 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. If you solve this one, you can get 10. Means 10 sample, we need 10 sample. So without replacement means what? Your sample is 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. If you take, you can take 2 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 8. If you take 2 comma 3, no, you can't take 3 comma 2 because these both are same. This is the without replacement. If you take 3 comma 6, you can't take 6 comma 3 or 3 comma 3 like that. Means we have to take different number only. Means unique number. See here, we have to make group unique group. Here we can make 2 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 8, 2 comma 11. Now in second line, see 3 comma 6, we make 3 comma 6, 3 comma 8, 3 comma 11. Now 6 comma 8, 6 comma 11, and 8 comma 11. This is our sample, 10 sample. Now we have to find mean. So for finding mean of what? Mean of sample distributions of mean. So first we have to find sample mean. Sample means 2 plus 3 by 2, 2.5, 2 plus 6 by 2, 4, 2 plus 8 by 2, 5, 2 plus 11 by 2, 6.5. So this is the sample mean. For finding mean means sum of all sample mean by total number of mean. Sum of all sample mean means 2.5 4 5 6.5 plus 4.5 plus 5.5 plus 7 plus 7. Sum of all mean by total number of mean. You can get mu x bar equal to 6. Okay. Now for finding variance. For finding variance formula is n minus n by n minus 1 sigma square by n. This formula we know before only. So capital N is 5, small n is 2. 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1, and sigma square is 10.8 we got by 2. So after solving this one, you can get variance equal to 4.5, and standard deviation is root under variance. So this one you can got. You can use that long process also, and you can use that formula also as your wish. You can use any method, whether either formula or that long methods. Okay. See, this question is completed. Solve this question proper way. If you solve one question in proper way, no, then it is easy for the second questions. So first you solve first questions nicely. Now we move to our second questions. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is a population consists of 5 members, 3, 7, 11, 15. Sorry, 4 members. If population consists of 4 numbers 3, 7, 11, 15, then find the mean and standard deviations of sample distributions of mean. See here, sample distribution of mean by considering the sample of size 2 with replacement. So here capital N is 4 and small n is 2. They said sampling size of 2, and they said find the mean of sample distributions of means. Okay. So for finding mean, what is the formula? For finding mean mu x bar, what is the formula? See here. With replacement mu x equal to mu. For variance, sigma square by n. Standard deviations means sigma by n. Mu x means mean means mu, and for variance formula is sigma square by n and for standard deviations means sigma by n bar. We have to, then we have to find mu square or n. Now see here, first method. We use here formula, direct formula. We can use direct formula and we can solve. Find mean. Mean means mu. 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 by 4. You can get mu equal to 9. And for finding variance, summation of xi minus x bar whole square by n. This variance is expected sigma square. Here x bar is not there. We can find for x bar also. So if you find 1 by 4, capital N is 4, 1 by 4, 3 minus 9 square for this one, 3 minus 9 square plus 7 minus 9 square, mean is 9, no? 7 minus 9 square plus 11 minus 9 square plus 15 minus 9 square. If you solve this one, you can get 20. Means sigma square you can got 20 and sigma is 2 root 2. Now we can find for sampling distributions of mean with replacement. With replacement mean formula is equal to mu only, so we will write n mu equal to 9. For finding variance for sample distributions of means, formula is sigma square by n. We got sigma square is 20, so 20 by 2 10. Now standard deviation means under root of 10, under root of 10. Okay, now without replacement means mean is same. Mean is same means mean is equal to 9. For variance formula is capital N by n minus 1 sigma square by n. So 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 sigma square we got 20. 20 by n small n is 2. After solving you can get 6.667. This is the variance and standard deviation is under root of 6.67. This is the 2.532. This is the method 1. You can use the formula and you can solve. Before using formula, you have to find expected mean and expected variance. If you find expected mean and expected variance, then you can use the formula and you can get the right answers. Now see method 2, that long method. See this long method. This is given data n equal to 3, 7, 5, 3, 7, 11, 15, n equal to 4, n equal to 2. Then number of sample size is without replacement. So with replacement. This one is with replacement. With replacement. Number of sample size is 4 square means 16. So we can make 3,3, now 3,3, 3,7, 3,11, 3,15. Now this is total sample is 16. Now again we have to find sample mean. Sample means 3 plus 3 by 2, 3, 5 plus 3 plus 7 by 2, 5, 3 plus 11 by 2, 7, and 3 plus 5 by 2, 9. After that we have to find mean. Mean means sum of all means by total number of means. If you do sum of all means by total number of means, you get mu equal to 9. If you solve using formula, you can get same answer. If you solve this long process, you can get same answers. For finding variance formula is sigma squared by n. Sigma squared by n means 20 by 2 means 10, and standard deviation is root 10. Without replacement means 3, 7, 11, 15. This is our data. And capital N is 4, small n is 2. Number of sample size is NCN, means 4 factorial by 2 factorial by 2 factorial. If you solve this one, you can get 6. And how to make this one sample? This sample is not repeated and not allowed. Not repetition is not allowed. So we can make 3,7, 3,11, 3,15, and 7,3, 7,3 we can't make because 3,7 we make no. If we make 7,3, then we can't make 7,3. These both are same. So without replacement means we can't take both numbers at the same time. Now what we did, we find sample mean. After that sample mean, we have to do sum of all sample means and number of sample means. We got 9. And use for variance, you can use formula NCN by n minus 1 sigma square by n. If you use this formula, you can get standard deviations this way. So the basic funda is what? You can use your formula. You can use your formula and solve the problem. Okay, I'll explain you both the methods, long method and formula method also. In if you use formula, then first you have to find the mean with simple mean and standard deviations and variance. After that you can put the value in the formula and you can get the answers. Now see this question number 3. See the questions. First read the questions properly and then collect the data. After collecting data, you can apply the formula. Simple. The weight of 1500 balls bearings are normal distributions with a mean of 635 grams and standard deviations is 1.36 gram. If 300 random sample size 300 random sample of size 36 are drawn from the population, determine expected mean standard deviations of sample distribution of mean if sampling is done with and without replacement. So see here, the weighted of 150 ball. So they will give population means 150, 1500 and they will give mean equal to 635. So mean equal to 635. I write here. And after that, standard deviation is 1.36. Standard deviation is 1.36. And they give if 300 random sample of size 36. Size 36 means sample size 36. Say small n is 36. Okay, this is the given. Now, using this given data, we can solve the problem. With replacement, first we have to find mean and standard deviations. So with re, with replacement, formula for mu x bar is mu, and for formula for standard deviation, variance is sigma square by n. Okay, and standard deviation is under root of variance. So mu x bar equal to 3.65. See here they will give the mu directly, mu equal to 365. So I write mu equal to mu x bar equal to 365. So mean is completed. Mean we can find. Now variance, for finding variance sigma square by n. Sigma square by n. And for finding standard deviations equal to sigma by under root n. They will give sigma equal to 1.36 and n is 36, so under root 36. If you solve this one, you can get 0.2267. Means you can collect the data from the questions and you can put the value in the formula. You can get the answers. Simply finding the data from the questions and putting the value in the formula and you can get the answers. Now see without replacement, mean is same. For without replacement also mean is same. Mu equal to mu x. For finding variance, formula is n minus n by capital N minus 1 sigma square by n. For finding standard deviations, under root of variance. If you take under root of variance, so under root of n minus n by capital N minus 1 sigma by under root of n. Now you know capital N value, small n value. Now you can substitute. Capital N is 1500 minus 36 by 1500 minus 1, and you can know standard deviation 1.36 under root 36. If you solve this one, you can get 0.224. Simple. You can get the data and you can put the data in the formula. So this was our last questions. Okay, completed. This topic is completed. Thank you. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और खुश रहे, मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ते रहे।